Hey.
What up, YouTube?
What's good?
We're in the 602 house, guys.
Dealio,
Man.
man.
What it is, man? Y'all never
Hey,
find
say what's up.
man.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 602 Zay. And we here with
602?
another
602
video. Man, hey, say look, man. Hey.
Hey, we got members.
We got a MUKBANG coming out.
I the whole gang with me, man. I know gang with me.
We got everything coming for y'all and stuff, bro.
We gonna be filming. Hey, we gonna be filming a little mukbang today.
Guys, stop it. Smooth.
Stop! No! Just listen! Nigga, what? And I'm dreaming like to stop it, nigga. Stop it. Hey, look. I'm a 5-star flocker. But look. Hey. Let me set it up. I wanna talk to y'all and shit. We got so much to tell y'all today.
We gotta tell them
But look.
Hey, man. What's going on with y'all?
What's good, YouTube? Hey, look, we finna be doing a mukbang today. We getting Jack in the Box. You feel me? That's the only thing. It's
That's open at this time, bro. It's late, guys. Late night videos, bro.
12 in the morning
I just
and
came
we
from a
filming.
24-hour shift.
Hey, look, we're going to be doing a little mukbang today. You feel me? None more, none less. Make sure y'all watch the video to the end. You feel me? It's gonna be a little entertaining. We finna get right, so we finna be secured.
Security
That's all I gotta
transaction,
say.
you know?
You feel me?
Transaction, you already know
Secured.
what it is.
But y'all tune in, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We got fire content in the way, and I don't know.
And we
if
got
the
a box of napkin with us.
Hey, man.
box of napkins for
sound
your
like a GTA
for your
For me to
for your-
whip.
Get on your ass.
No, for me to whip this nut on your business now.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Secure the transaction. What did he just say? Go home.
Hey, man.
Go open.
What are you going on?
Open the door.
Hey,
Go.
get out. Get out.
Go.
Get the freak out.
See you later, okay?
Do not come back.
This guy's house, like following our car, they couldn't pull us over because we was already parked.
Hey, but yeah, we're going to be doing a little mukbang. Y'all better watch it to the end. Like, comment, subscribe. Get us to how many do I have? 250. I have like 250 subscribers.
Hey, man, fill the
Get us to 300. Get us to 300.
Get us to
300.
300.
Get us to 300.
Do it
ASAP.
24 hour in Walmart.
24 hours on Walmart, get us to 300. And they're not even open for 24 hours. We still gonna be there, nigga. Simple, nigga. Put on. Hey, you heard that nigga say. Still gonna go get the fuck out there. Hey, I'ma catch y'all niggas on gun. We just came up with some fire ass idea with this mukbang, cuz. So look.
Y'all know our friends CYMGANG, huh?
His little black ass is on the way.
Right?
And he wasn't on time, nigga. You feel me? The nigga taking a long ass time to come here. We still haven't got our food yet. We gonna prick his little dub ass while we doing the mukbang. We're gonna do him. So we gonna funny,
Bro, we're just gonna be like, we don't fuck with you no more.
like honestly,
he's not gonna
bro,
see
you
it
just
coming,
been
bro. He's not
acting
gonna see
weird.
it coming,
You just
bro.
been acting weird as hell,
gonna
bro.
see it
Honestly,
coming, bro.
I don't
No
fuck
ass
with you,
when
nigga.
we tweet.
What if it goes, we can settle this outside?
Bitch, I need
See,
that
yeah,
shit.
but we love you, though.
We have to do it
We
to
love
his
you,
ass.
bro. But hey, but you're not gonna see it coming, my buddy.
Hey, the camera is fun.
You're not gonna see it coming, bro.
Hey, but look, it should be tough. We should get a good reaction out of him. You feel me? But I'm gonna catch y'all when we get our food. We gonna have a little good setup. You feel me? So where y'all can see us. And nigga, we
Y'all don't play with us. Don't
Alright,
play with us,
also, I did ask Instagram to send us some spicy questions for the mukbang. So you feel me? It's gonna be a little mukbang, spicy questions / prank on CYMGANG. See me? Something a little fire, you dog. Hey, tap in.
next time.
Like, hey, comment, share that motherfucker to your auntie, your mama,
your
daddy,
grandma, your
grandpa, nigga papa, nigga haboba, nigga
your baby daddy and her and his side girl.
What's good, YouTube? We back like shit. Gang, we got our Taco Bell with us, man. Hey, grab me that bag right there. Man, hey, we got that Taco Bell, man. Hey, we had to lock in. Jack in the Box line was too long. We was not finna sit there and wait. What the hell we look
Good
like?
transaction got tagged.
Not waiting.
Just kill the transaction. before we got started, I just wanted to let you know, I know it's a long video. I know it is, but you better just stay tuned. You better watch the whole thing. If you don't, I'm gonna beat your ass. You heard it from here, though. Enjoy. Good, man. First question.
Oh, let me introduce myself first.
Oh, yeah, we got YouTubers who That's the first question? What the hell?
CYMGAng.
CYMGAng back in the...
Hey, first question. Body count. Body count.
That's for the first time.
I'll be honest. I don't know, man.
You don't know?
Too much.
Yeah,
Hey, look,
like
look.
that.
That's hey,
Crazy. Yo!
You getting in like that?
I don't know, bro. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know. Feel me?
You being honest, bro.
We grown, bro. Let's be honest, bro. Let's be honest. Nigga,
Yeah, let's
we
be
grown.
honest.
We're not kids.
I have
don't
zero.
sugarcoat shit. I don't know.
I have like 0. I almost lost it.
Stop the cap.
Didn't come to it though.
I just said this.
Let's be honest.
I just said let's be honest. Niggas that have 0.
I'm fucking with talking about the background.
Hey, how many bodies you got, coach?
Come on, Matt.
Bro, I told you I'm waiting until married.
Oh, you went to marriage?
Niggas gonna be doing this all damn video.
Hey, no, let's be realistic for real.
No, I am doing it, bro. I'm being for real, bro.
I got you. Hey, what about you, Manu?
No.
Neil.
Oh, you know that one.
I do not condone in any sexual.
And I told us we got 100 bodies.
I'll take out 100.
We got 100 bodies.
I don't condone in sexual activity, guys. I don't.
Hey, this nigga claims he has 100 bodies.
Word.
Hey,
100 plus.
slide it down in the conversation. Guess how many bodies he has. Just guess them out, alright? Please.
I don't do that, guys.
100 bodies, guys.
100 is crazy, bro.
Alright, next question, guys.
No, not doing bro.
Fuck the question.
Here's the question. I just want to talk about how big this nigga head is in the back. You big headed ass nigga.
Nobody
Bro.
nothing, bro.
Freaking Rihanna.
You ain't getting no napkins?
Hey, Manu.
They're freaks, bro. No napkins is crazy. Taco Bell, bro. I'm telling you, bro. The food is a 10 out of 10, bro, but customer service is like
I'll go what?
Taco Bell.
No, this is smack.
10 out of 10, bro. Food is 10 out of 10. Customer service, 2 out of 10.
Hey, someone said, do you believe in love at first sight? It's a good question. I think I don't think love at first sight is crazy, bro. You do not.
Unless it's Jada Waiter, Ruby Rose.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Shut your dumb ass.
Get the fuck out of here. You still gotta worry about it. Still gotta know you first, man. You know what I'm saying?
Love at first sight is crazy. At first sight, love? Like, I mean, okay, but like, you cannot love no girl at first sight.
For me, the max
Yeah.
is to get to know you. I gotta talk to you at least for like 2-3 months. 2-3 months.
I feel like that's a
Wait, to see if you love him?
Yeah.
Hey, if y'all want relationship advice, bro, hit up these two. You need to know, bro. They know their way around.
See a book.
But I don't know.
See a book in.
Hit this nigga up. He knows all the juicy questions.
Langar in the back, bro. He knows everything.
Hey, bro, these hiccups is pissing me off.
Hey guys, I just went to work. You know,
It's a monster.
not.
Monster Inc., bro.
Knock it off, Rihanna.
He got checks
You know,
from Monster Inc.
I had to go crazy. You
Checks
know.
from-
Oh, shit.
Hey, how many kids do you want in the future?
I say 3 or 4.
Potato taco?
3 or 4. 3 boys, 1 girl.
3 boys. Damn, 3 boys, 1 girl.
2 girls, 2 boys.
2 boys.
This shit look good, bro.
Huh?
2 boys, 1 girl.
2 boys, 1 girl.
2 each is cool.
2-2.
I fuck with 2, 1. If not, 1.
0.
Or the
Hey,
max.
this is crazy what I'm gonna say, but hey, it's all for entertainment, bro. But do y'all think the kid's gonna come out with a bump?
Hey, he's asking you guys this because
Like
you know it's a joke in our group.
the niggas trying to roll. The niggas already have to get out of the camera.
It's a joke thing in our group. You know? Only we would know that, but. That guy, he constantly.
Hey, but look.
Nah, but yeah, 2-2 is cool, bro.
Excited.
2-2. I mean 4. Oh yeah, 2-2. 2 girls, 2 boys. That's straight, guys. More than that.
Hey, bro. Oh my god.
Y'all ever ate ass? Y'all ever ate ass?
I ain't gonna lie, I would never in my life ever do that.
What? Nice.
Eat ass.
I will never be near me.
We're eating.
This nigga right here, bro. This nigga right here ate ass.
I do not condone in any ass eating, any sexual activity. Stupid.
Crazy. You look like you're lying, bro.
I never ate ass in my life. Never will, never.
Do you miss your ex?
That's what never got near me. I don't got no wild question, guys.
Wallet.
Hey, do you miss your ex?
I ain't got no exes.
No, sir.
I got no ex.
No, sir.
Hey,
No. You can even say no. You real.
Hey, no.
That's wild.
Hey, nigga did. Oh my God. Hey, if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. 500 drive. Oh my gosh.
If any of them exes are watching this, just know he misses you.
Hey, you heard what they said, nigga? Hey, can you repeat it?
You know who you is?
Can you repeat it?
That's crazy.
Hold on.
Hey,
You wallet.
I gotta say this, sir, bro.
Oh my god.
Jake, hold on.
And he does miss you.
I gotta say it, bro.
Say what you gotta say.
Any of these exes, if you're watching this, you know who you are specifically. We're talking about one person only.
don't drop no names though. Just
I'm not gonna say it. He misses you. He finna take you tonight.
As soon as he get home, maybe on the way back from over there, nigga. On the way back, maybe, you know. He be talking about you all the time.
Oh my god. That's wild.
I ain't gonna miss you.
Hey, we're kind of, bro.
I got a love song for you.
It's gonna be like 80 girls thinking that it's.
Are you gonna make a love song?
Love song. Crazy.
Nigga, this is good.
Hey, next question.
Hey, man.
Oh, next question. That's crazy as fuck. Where the loyal eaters at?
No, bro, I'm not. Bro, what the hell, bro? You're that, bro. That was the first question too, bro. You guys what freaks on your
That was the most
Instagram.
recent.
They want to get right to it.
You wanna get right to it?
Hey, who was your first love?
That's kind of crazy.
That's kind of crazy, bro. The camera's wild.
That is wild.
Please not answering that shit on the camera.
Hey,
Nigga,
what's
you
up,
crazy?
Hey, look.
Come on down.
If you don't answer, you gotta take a shot.
What?
Hold on,
Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Nah, don't say it. Don't say it, fool. Hey, don't say it, fool. No, you're tweaking. Cause he saw I was gonna bring some shit, nigga, and he.
I didn't think you have something. I didn't think he has it. I just said it.
Pussy.
Damn, we should do something like. Next question. Bucket said, "Have you had a threesome?"
What? Actually, Bucket.
I'm not gonna say too much.
Have you had a threesome?
It's crazy.
Let me ask you that.
God.
Have you had a threesome?
Come on, Bucket.
Threesome? Hold on.
You asked about
It
that.
said-
Have you had a threesome? Oh God.
Bucket,
Why-
have you? Have you?
Bucket? Nah.
Have you had it?
Honestly,
nah. I never had a threesome. Never did.
Never.
Bro, no, bro. Why y'all lying, bro?
Never.
Do I gotta make it?
nigga, what are you doing, bro?
Oh,
Did I
God.
gotta-
This nigga
You never
sitting there
asked me the
looking at
question,
shit.
Do I gotta
Nigga, you ain't dumb. Shut your dumb ass
Do I
up.
make
Have
it
you had a
clear?
threesome? God. Have you had a threesome?
Holy
Wow,
shit.
Have you had a
Hey,
threesome?
I'm trying to be for real for YouTube,
He
cuz.
holding niggas, I ain't gonna lie, man.
Real ball.
This nigga right here, man.
What? Well,
Nah, but I'm be for real. Nah, I haven't.
Never had no time. No, never did.
Never.
Before I die, would I want to?
Oh, sir.
I believe.
It happened. It happened. But don't.
Who's your best friend in the whole wide world?
The whole wide world.
hey, money.
Desiree. Desiree Coco.
My baby.
Shout out to Desiree. She's the one who asked that.
My mom.
I better go follow her at Desiree Coco. Hey, but real shit.
Oh, I can make shit. I can think. Hey, y'all want some juicy rice? You're a freak. Look at this guy. Give me your. Hey, when you look at the camera.
This shit uncut. I'm not editing none of this.
Hey, give me your hand, bro.
They want to know about it. So we gotta
get some
Juicy. Do you guys want juicy?
Hey, juicy shit. Juicy shit. Juicy
Swallow,
shit.
guys. Juicy.
Juicy shit thing. Juicy shit thing, guys.
All right, what's the freakiest place you ever did it? That did it.
Good.
Right to it.
Right to it.
For real,
I'll be honest. Straight up. Cause you know me.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
What? Yo! Hey, this is wild. Around us is
Hey.
I'm sorry,
You got clips slow motion.
Nah, nigga, hey, chill out, bro. My bad, bro. That was unnecessary.
In a room with all niggas is nah, bro.
Nigga, it's a kitchen, nigga. It's not a room, nigga. It's different. It's a room.
But they said where
Nah, Dan go first, man. Dan go first.
What was the question again?
he said like what's the freakiest place you did it?
Freakiest place here, freakiest place. I don't know if it's freaky, but in the bathroom though.
Really, nigga.
In the bathroom? Yeah, okay.
The bathroom is like where public or like
No, house bathroom.
how about that's not freaky? Get the fuck out of here.
Hey, it's freaky.
Hey, that's public bathroom. I never.
Public bathroom.
That's crazy. That's
Never
freaky
did
day. Never what?
You must be. You was on 10 up.
He was on 10.
You are one.
Nah. This shit, hey, this shit
was on
locked.
brick.
The door locked though, so I was straight.
Oh, shit.
Ooh.
And what about you, bro?
All right, look.
Hey, next.
The freakiest place, man, I don't even know, man. I'll probably say movie theater, bro. Shit.
What? Inside?
Inside?
Going crazy?
No, like the drive-through, like you know the drive-through.
Drive-in?
Yeah, drive-in and shit.
Drive-in movie theater. Drive-in movie theater. Okay, that's freaky.
For me,
Cho.
I'll be honest,
Cop pulled up on you,
100%.
huh? Security guard.
Alley.
Alley?
In the alley.
Alley?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, hey. Outside?
Hey.
Outside.
That's crazy. Outside,
That's the
bro.
freakiest place. I did alley.
Bro, you is a freaky ass nigga, dog. Hey, y'all niggas know he don't. Hey, he don't use.
You don't use raps?
No wipes.
Hey, let me tell y'all something, bro. So when y'all use the bathroom, hey, go ahead. I'm gonna say after. Go ahead. Wipes. The freakiest place.
Yeah, after that. We'll do
this
after
shit is
that.
crazy.
No, this
I
is
wanna-
outrageous.
I need to hear.
Tell me what. Am I tripping? It's I'm
Hey,
tripping.
go.
In the hot ass sun of the summer? Where's your tell us? Tell us.
Freakiest place I ever did that was a school bathroom. It was after school 4:30. Before
Freshman year?
Freshman year. That's all I gotta say.
Do it.
School bathroom. Hey, stop doing it. Hey, come on,
What about you?
man.
Go ahead, Mac. Go ahead.
Dang, bro.
Back, you feel me? We left off. Manu answered the question.
Hey, we back.
So that was Mac. You feel me?
Mac, where's the freakiest place you did it at?
Don't lie, bro. Don't lie.
Hey.
Don't lie.
This is all for YouTube. I'm saying this is all for YouTube, bro.
Nah, bro, you gotta say real.
All for
We
YouTube. But
said-
hey,
we said our real
shut up,
question,
Hey,
man.
okay.
Hey, guys,
I'll be real. Let me think, bro. Give me time, bro.
Yeah.
These camera shot.
Dang.
These camera shot.
You gotta think.
Man,
We'll come back. And we'll come back. We'll come back. We'll come back. Come back.
Okay. Damn, bro. Okay. Alright. Honestly, I haven't really been to no crazy spot. Oh, dang what? I haven't really. Right there. I haven't been.
That would have been a half.
Honestly, I haven't really done that in no crazy
wait.
spot.
In my car in the rain, chilling, bro. Car in the rain.
Where you guys parked at?
Where you guys parked at? Not lying in the middle of nowhere.
That's really. You think that's crazy? That's pretty.
That's the craziest.
That's like a vibe, bro.
like brother,
That was like a vibe, man. The craziest place, the freakiest place I probably did it, bro. It was probably outside like a public mall.
Outside the mall.
Wait.
Outside the car. What mall though?
Oh, in a car. I was gonna say, nigga, this is
Did I say the place?
What part?
Place?
Yeah,
The place is crazy, nigga. You're crazy. It was in a parking lot outside a public mall. Basically, it was busy as hell.
Was it Arrowhead, Chandler Mall? Nigga, we need the mall.
Every information.
Hey, look. I'm gonna give you guys 5 places. No, 3 places, and it's one of those. All right. Arrowhead, Westgate, and Desert Sky.
Oh,
There's a
Westgate. It's Westgate.
Arrowhead.
Westgate on the dot, nigga. What the hell, nigga? It's Westgate.
Arrowhead,
Bro, what's Westgate, bro?
What you think, bro?
Hey.
What's the broad daylight? Or was it Westgate? Yeah, it's definitely Westgate.
Hey, cuz, that question, fuck.
Fuck, nigga.
Arrowhead.
Everybody done a shorty at Westgate.
What? You're chatting back, what?
You just a react, nigga?
See, you know, bro.
This shit crazy, bro.
What? What? Nigga, what?
Let me ask something like this, bro. What's the freakiest place where you want to do it at?
A balcony, bro. I swear.
With the view.
With the whole view. I just
Just
moved
with the
butt
view.
ass naked.
Just, you know.
I don't care who's looking. I don't care who's looking. I don't care who's looking.
Start going to work.
We're just going in. We're just going in.
Start in, nigga. Start going to work.
Hey, I gotta be in the balcony at the ocean, nigga. I gotta
Look
be.
at the
And also,
views outside. And just start.
Going straight.
like the bathtub. Hey, bathtub. Hey, bathtub crazy.
Straight away.
Bathtub is tough.
The bathtub was tough.
Hey, with bubbles.
Rubber ducky.
Wait, what? Hey, nah, nigga, you freaky ass nigga. I did that before. Hey, look.
But like, I ain't gonna lie, sex shower is it's not good, bro. Cause like, it's ass, bro. Cause you don't really you're not really feeling nothing, bro. You're not really feeling nothing at all.
Because of water?
Yeah, the water's in the way and shit, so it's like, nah. So if I was
Shit,
don't try that shit. That shit not.
Yeah, I try to put it
Some
in
people
before.
like that shit. Some people out there be doing that shit, but me personally, nah.
Wait, what was that, guys?
I was supposed to.
What?
I attempted to do that shit. It was not it. You feel me? It was not it, you know? Like, you'd rather just wait till you get out that shower, cuz. You feel me? It's way better.
You get that bed.
I don't even have no bodies, though. I still have 0 bodies.
You tried on the
You
wall?
attempted, but you observed bodies.
You tried on the wall? You tried on the wall?
I got it. Nah.
You tried on the wall?
On a bear.
What? A bear? I mean,
Hey, have you ever
bears
fucking
around
kitchen?
here, bro.
Kitchen? I never did kitchen.
Bro, that's tough, though.
Never did
bro.
kitchen. I want to try kitchen.
Living room?
Hey! Oh my
Living
god!
room is tough. Living room's tough.
Outside of kickback, bro? Oh my god!
What?
Remember?
Outside of kickback.
Bro, hey, you're talking crazy, dude. You're talking hella crazy.
Oh,
Dude.
Hey, we don't know what
Relax. Hold on. Hey, but real shit,
Next
though.
question. There's no more.
Alright, look. Would y'all be with a girl? Alright, look. Say she's pushing in like 300K a month, nigga. You feel me?
Word.
You have to be loyal. This and that. But she do
300K a month?
She do 300K a month. She's pushing in.
Shit,
Y'all are dating, but she
You
do
loyal, I'm
OnlyFans.
loyal.
She's getting fucked
Hell no.
for her money, getting her shit,
Fuck no.
getting her shit twisted around
Hell
for
no.
300K a month. Pushing. Look, she's pushing in $1 million a
I'm not
month.
taking this.
She's pushing in $1 million a month. She's sharing all her money. She loves you, gang.
Nah,
But she is getting her shit demolished.
You gotta think about it. 'Cause what if a nigga come to you in public and is like, hey, this your
No,
girl?
we can't do.
And
Cause
show you the video.
look, all I do is keep my own shit.
So the video is
And
crazy.
You gotta get my own shit going on. You know what I'm saying?
You got a point, guys.
I'm not staying with no bitch that getting fucked with another
Hey,
bitch.
man.
Get the fuck out of my face, nigga. You
Hey,
stupid.
man, get the money, you know? Do what you gotta do.
Oh
About the
shit.
money.
Wildin', bro, come
Hey,
on.
psych.
You can make
I'm
your
not
own
taking
money
that.
a different
I'm
way.
not
Am I
taking
doing
it. No.
I'm not taking, I'm not, bro, shit, I have her as my hoe. I'll take money, the hell? I'm not gonna give her money like
That's
that.
not what you say. You say you gotta be loyal.
Loyal is
You
crazy.
gotta be loyal and stick. You gotta write it
2023,
down for
bro.
her. You
Being
know?
loyal is
Fuck
crazy.
no.
That's the only person you can have sex with too.
So she can have sex with other niggas, but I can't have
Yeah,
sex
it's
with
her job. You know, it's her job.
Man, that's all. Man, that's why you just gotta I don't know, bro.
Just make your own money, nigga. The fuck, you don't need a female to depend on.
Be out the way.
Depend on no female, feel me?
I'm bread. I'm bread. Get your own motion. I'm bread.
I'm bread.
Bread. But look.
Hey. That's for the.
You got one?
Hey,
Next question.
I'm just a baby. How the fuck I'm supposed to give me one?
So black ass. All I see is your teeth. All I see is your teeth, nigga. In the back.
oh, you see your teeth.
Take off that freaking hat.
Take off a hat.
Why are you trying to say that? What?
You gotta take off the hat.
Y'all finna roast each other?
Hey, you wanna roast? Don't roast me.
Whatever, man.
Don't roast me now. I could fit this fucking key here.
Big head ass nigga. It's still looking at that. Nasty ass nigga. Just like.
Oh shit, nigga.
Come on, bro.
Freaky ass nigga, bro. I tell you guys, how many tattoos this man has, man?
Talking about that.
That's freaky having tattoos. Do you hear this nigga, bro?
No, that's not freaky, man. I'm just saying, bro. Some tattoos you can see, some tattoos you can't.
You can see all my tattoos, bro. I promise you. I swear to God, I can see all my tattoos.
On camera you can, bro. I'm telling you, you can.
I can see my tattoos.
Are you
I
in
get
the
tattoos,
box?
you can't see him, guys.
Wait, man. Hey, we can handle it on
oh, guys, look at the
CYMGAng.
You got it, bro?
Hey,
the one year time for
never know, bro. It's really never know. You can go watch it on CYMGAng, bro. No, on his own channel.
Y'all better go watch it.
I'm on channel. I'm not this nigga out. Just because this nigga is big, I'm gonna show him who's big.
No, it's not that, bro. It's just like, he's a bitch, really. Like, he's really a bitch.
Hey, even though I don't hit the gym, nigga, hold on.
Hey, you don't want to take your clothes? Bro, come on, bro.
Oh yeah, you heard the show?
Show it. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Thanks for seeing.
Hey, boxing match, hold on. Hey, no, face off.
Because I don't hit the gym, nigga, this nigga show,
Boxing match, face off.
nigga show, nigga.
Damn.
Hey, boxing match, face off. Boxing match, face off.
Nigga, I'm still big, nigga.
Face off. If y'all get us to 1,000 subscribers, meet us and a whole bunch of other niggas real deep. We're sliding deep to a quinceañera and we're gonna turn that bitch up.
Hey, so y'all got some weird ass shit, bro. Why are you trying to roast me?
We're going to the quinceañera.
Why are you trying to roast me, bro? That was some weird ass shit, bro.
I'm going, you been trying to roast this nigga a lot.
You trying to roast me, bro? Like, damn, bro.
Nigga, you crying? You roll all the time?
I just feel so bad. That's some weird shit.
Why you looking at it? Why like nigga, we always roll.
Nah, low key, but Mac be feeling a little insecure every time we get on
He
here.
just rolls, nigga.
What?
No, not like insecure, but like he don't take it serious. But he's like, why the fuck
Bro,
he
all
always gets
niggas,
on me?
that's what we do, bro. If you know it, we roast all the time. We roast.
It may be nothing. It's just,
you can't get.
It is troll, bro. I just gotta hand it to him every single time, cause like, bro, he roasts me and I beat his ass. He roasts me and I beat his ass. That's how he is. Like it happened. Like it's a cycle, cause like, bro, like damn, bro, like God, like again.
Hey, but it's really like
It's freaky ass.
I ain't gonna lie, it's like part of the reason why we don't really fuck with you like that no more.
You know,
I don't know for real.
like, bro, that's some fucked up shit.
That ass.
Hey, look at me, huh? I'm smiling. I don't give a fuck.
Nah, damn, nigga. It's not like that, like we fuck with you. But it's like part of the reason why we just distance ourselves from you and shit.
Bro, that's something, bro. Like, bro.
Hey, I know this nigga's too.
No, bro.
What?
Nigga, what are you talking about? This nigga's acting weird. Hey, look. I'm keeping it 50-50. Yeah, I'm keeping it 50-50.
I'm roasting?
Bro, no, it's not that.
No.
That's Longar. Bro, Longar. We was talking about it in the car, bro. Longar, bro, was just trying to be real with you and shit.
Dead ass.
Like,
Why are you
why this nigga laughing? This nigga
He's taking this as a joke, like,
Alright, break it down to what's going on. I'm so confused.
no, dads. We're just saying, like, it was part of the reason, like, why we don't really talk.
Like, we trying to, like,
we distance ourselves from you.
like, what the
It's kind of fucking weird how you don't even talk to us like that no more, nigga. You just do your own thing. You never want to make videos with us, nigga. You never want to fucking, like,
weird.
come on, why you don't hit us up to make videos with you, nigga? We want to make videos with you. You're supposed to do this shit together.
Hold on, nigga. I hit these niggas up all the time to do videos. Niggas don't say nothing.
That's cat.
At all.
That's cat.
bro.
Hey, this
Group
nigga
chat.
Troll be
Hey,
acting
look,
like a
look.
girl sometimes.
Troll be
acting like a girl
Hey,
sometimes.
wait,
Look,
I'll leave this
listen,
right here.
if you're
What
not
type of
gonna
nigga
work-
hangs up on another nigga, bro?
Listen, if you're not gonna work, you feel me? And I wanna work, you feel me?
But be there and push us to work with you, nigga. Don't duck off, nigga. Forget your brothers and shit, nigga.
Niggas don't wanna work.
What you
Bro,
mean
what?
nigga don't want to
Nigga,
work?
we been talking about YouTube.
It's part of the reason why I just
We've
don't
been
talk
talking.
with you like
Hey,
that.
that
listen,
shit be
we've been
some
talking about
weird
this
shit,
YouTube
bro.
thing for the longest, bro. Niggas don't want to do it, so nigga, I said, okay, I'm gonna do it myself, nigga.
Come on now.
And I told these niggas, let's do YouTube. We've been supposed to be doing YouTube for the longest, bro. For the fucking long, we supposed to be doing YouTube for since even before we even start all hanging out, bro.
Bro, let me tell him, bro. Tell him that all that shit when you telling me about in the car, bro. Some weird shit.
I was like, bro, speak your shit, man.
Speak your
Fuck,
shit, bro.
man. Get come close.
So,
Hey, they family. They're gonna hear whatever the fuck we go through. Whatever. They're gonna hear
So what's the
whatever.
fuck going on? I'm so confused right now. Is this a mukbang or this is like?
Yeah, it's a
Why
mukbang.
are we talking on camera, nigga?
Huh?
Why are we talking on camera?
What do you mean, nigga? They
Why are
can
we
hear
talking on
this.
camera?
Bro, they can hear this
No,
too.
nigga.
It's not personal.
Stop it.
Nigga, they're gonna hear everything, all this.
fam.
That's crazy.
It's fair. It's the fair. It's the
Hey, that's crazy.
fair.
Hey, that's crazy.
Joe, how is that crazy?
Wait, hold on. Are we like, this is serious right now?
Serious.
Okay, then why the fuck we in camera?
What do you mean?
Bro, this is weird.
We're filming.
YouTube.
I don't like
No, we're not, nigga. We're not playing.
Nigga gotta go, bro.
If we're serious, bro,
Why you trying to
why
go?
are we
Sit
on
down,
camera?
bro. Sit down, bro.
Wait, we want to talk off camera? What you want to talk
Look,
off
we
camera?
on camera.
What's the
Okay, we're
difference?
talking serious.
Off camera,
What's the
off camera,
difference?
off camera.
Come on, it's the mukbang. We're talking 50, keep it 50 feet. 50
Go ahead. Go
That's
ahead,
it.
man. What are you trying to ask me?
Yeah,
Fuck.
hey, bro, you said, I know something about an got him new.
Word.
And then you said, don't call me a bro. Like, come on, bro.
Damn, bro. That was like.
Hold on.
Yeah, bro.
Hold on, I already told you niggas why I said that. I already told you that because there's people telling me shit, you feel me? But I know it's not true. But it's like I want to believe it, but at the same time, like I can't look at these niggas.
You gotta come to.
Hold on, listen. Hold on, let me talk, cuz. Let me talk. Alright? So there's people telling me that. People are telling me, oh, it was this, it's true, but I don't want to believe it, you feel me? Because I don't look at y'all niggas like that. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, it's like, okay, I believe it, but at the same time, I don't believe it. You feel me? But if I tell you guys, nigga, I don't want to later on look stupid later on and it's not true. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I understand, but at the same time, you gotta come before me. You gotta let us know before we can't.
But the thing about me, listen,
I guess that's just, hey, bro, just listen. Long story short, bro.
Listen, bro, I don't communicate. The thing about me, bro, when I go through shit, bro, I don't tell nobody my problems. You feel me? I go through my own shit, my damn self. You feel me? I don't tell.
But
nobody.
look, I know
don't
it's just,
tell my girl,
it's
my
just
mom,
part of the
nobody,
reason why we
bro.
don't fuck
That's
with you,
how
bro.
I am, nigga.
It's just part of the reason why we
And
don't
nigga,
fuck with
that's
you.
cool.
For real.
That's cool.
But I still love you to death, my brother, nigga. But I got
What?
You don't fuck with me, but you love me. How the fuck
Yeah,
does that
nigga.
make sense?
I don't fuck with a lot of niggas. Like, nigga, I have family problems and shit. I forever
How
love
you
you.
fuck with me, but using my camera?
Bro, come on, nigga, brother love.
Get the fuck out of here.
They still love all the time. It's just not saying I don't fuck with you. It's just part of the reason why we distance ourselves from you and shit. Nigga, that's it.
Alright, that's fine. That's cool.
Bro, why you gotta get the attitude and shit?
What happened?
It's love, nigga, it's love. See, making the mukbang be weird and shit.
We had to talk about
Don't feel some type of way, gang.
We had to talk about
I want, like, my head is spinning. I don't know what's going on.
My head's spinning.
Like, it's like, I'm so confused. These niggas, I don't know. This nigga's recording.
Hey guys, I wish.
I said I don't fuck with you because, nigga,
This is it.
shit was true, but it wasn't true, nigga. And I told these niggas what it was. You know what I'm saying?
It don't matter, nigga. We just made a statement, bro. We just trying to let you know, gang.
You're right. I should have came with you like a man, and I should have talked to you. For me, one on one. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't do that.
So you trying to tell us
I
you was a
should've came
bitch?
to you, as you and your brother, nigga, and talk.
You just need to stop acting like a bitch, nigga.
Y'all need to
Start
stop
straight
like a
up.
bitch,
Hey,
nigga.
come to me man to man, nigga. You got something to say to me.
Oh,
nigga,
bro.
Nigga ain't no bitch over here, cuz.
He's a bitch.
That nigga need to
bro.
stop acting like
I love you for life, though.
Nigga need to stop acting like a bitch. What the fuck wrong with that bitch?
Show this nigga is a bitch.
Nigga, you a bitch, nigga.
You're a bitch.
What the fuck wrong with that nigga?
Hey, but look, man. That nigga was like, what? Like, are you for real? Like, are you for real? Hey, guys.
I'm confused.
Hey, we got him low key. Low key, we got him. Low key, got him.
I'm like, why are you recording? I'm like, bro.
Nigga, we're not. Hey, none of that shit ever happened. That shit was like, this shit was like different, bro. But look,
Hey, bro, these are my niggas, you feel me?
as family for life, nigga. But hey, stay tense. This is a beginning. Nigga, we coming for y'all ass. Tell CYMGANG to stay tense, cause we coming for their ass, man. Straight up. Hey, he talking about we didn't get him. We got
They
you.
got me out first, and then after that, I was confused. I swear my head was like,
Nigga, I couldn't hold my laugh, bro. I couldn't hold the fucking laugh, bro. I was like, fuck, bro. This shit was getting me mad. But hey, y'all tune into the next video, nigga. 602 Zay is out this motherfucker.
I do these niggas, bro. Just for doing me like that. Okay.